Hello friends, welcome back. My name is PK. In this video, you will learn how to create the inventory dashboard with different stages in the Google Sheet. If you are in the manufacturing field and you want to track number of products or the quantity of the products available in the different stage using this dashboard, you can easily track that. For example, we are showing the various stages like casting and molding, machining, and the some other like assembly, quality control, packaging, warehousing, and something like that. You can change the number of stage as per your requirement. That is also feasible. And here we have given the selection for a product. You can select a product from here. As you select the product, automatically it will show the number of quantity of this product available on this date in which stage. Okay, so you can easily track that. Here we are showing the stage level information also. Let's say I want to see the how many products are available in the quality control stage. So we are seeing all of our products are appearing here at bottom, and we can see okay, this product is available 20 quantity in the quality control, this 14, 24, and some other. So easily we can maintain the inventory and we can track this as per our requirement. I will show you some other analysis also which we have created, that is stage summary analysis. And here we are capturing the today's date, and we are giving here the product name, and then we are giving here the different stages. So you can easily see how many products are available in which stage. Okay, this is the table view basically. Now coming to the trend sheet, here you can see the trend. So select the first date of the month here, just double click and select the first date of the month. Then it will show the whole month, and we can see this particular product is available, how many quantity was available on this day in the selected stage. So let's say I select this, then you can see it is getting changed. All right. Now coming to the transaction sheet, here in the sheet you have to enter your data. So the data how you enter, I will show you. Just input here the date. Let's say I'm putting here 10th May 2025. Okay. And here just select the product name, whatever product you want to select, and we'll say okay, this particular product from this stage to this stage, just select the next stage of this one. I want to move 5 quantity. So as the physical quantity is moved from this stage to this stage, you can just update this here. Automatically whole dashboard and the other sheets will be updated. Now let me show you the product master also. In the product master, we have the product ID here and we have the product name. Okay. And this is the simple sheet. You can add more products here and you can add the more product names also, ID and product names. Now coming to the stage sheet, this is the serial number of the stage. The first stage will be this one, second is third, fourth. Okay, so we have created 9 stage at this point, but you can change it as per your requirement. You can keep 5, 10, or 20 stage as you want. In the support sheet, we have created some calculation. So we will show you that also. So first, let me explain you what we have created on the support sheet. In the support sheet, we have put the filter function. You can see this is the filter function from the stage. Okay, so we have the stage here, and basically we just have put the stage, or we are taking all the stage from here. That's it. So like this, we have used filter, and let's come to the stage and let's select all the stage till the end, comma, the condition. We have put the same condition, or let's copy this, and this should not be blank. So it will give you the all stage name, right? This is all stage. This is what we are getting here. Then to get the count of this stage, we have put the sum if function. So let me show you how we have created this. So let's say I'm taking this header here. First, we have created using the filter function and go to the stage. Let's select this range. Again, copy this range, comma, not equal to blank, and just enter. So we have got all these stages. Then here to get the count, we just have used the sumif function, and this sumif is on the basis of transaction seed. Okay, as well as we are taking the product name from this, whatever product you have selected this here and whatever date is here. So what we are doing here, we are using the sum ifs. Okay, the sum range from the transaction seed. Let's take the quantity e comma, then the criteria. So let's give first criteria as date. You can change the criteria. First, you can take another criteria. It's up to you. So let's say I'm taking this one. So I'm saying the date should be less than or equal to, and just take here the date that will be, come to the dashboard sheet and select here this one. Press F4 to freeze this, comma. Then we will take the product name also from the transaction. So let's take V column, press F4 to freeze this, comma. Take here this one, press F4 to freeze this, comma. Then we will take the stage from the transaction. So stage, we will take the two stage, this one, press F4 to freeze this, comma. Then come to the support sheet and we will select this stage. Okay, so here we will use end. Okay, so now it is giving us the count. So you can match, this is the same count which is appearing here. Okay, the same formula we will use the multiple times, and I will show you here also we have used the similar formula. The only thing is this time product we are taking from here and the stage we are taking from here, this one. Okay, so once we have created these two tables, after that we have created these charts. To create the chart, you can simply come to the support sheet and let's select this range, and then you can simply insert the column, insert the chart. Now, once chart is created here, you can simply change the, customize this and style. Let's take the 3D chart. You can change the color from here. Just click and change the fill color. Let's say I'm taking this blue color, and and you can change the chart title from here as you want, and the formatting also, the font also, everything you can change. Similarly, we have created here, and once you have changed everything, you can simply copy this chart from here, copy, and you can paste on the dashboard sheet, and then you can resize this. So that is how we have created this chart, and we have created this chart also in the similar way. So now let me show you how it is working in the backend. So here in we are changing the input here. Okay, and once we change the input, then the data is being changed on the support sheet, and once data is being changed, then it is reflecting on the dashboard. So let me delete this. That is how we have created the dashboard sheet. Now let me come to the summary sheet also, stage summary sheet. So what we have done here, we are taking the date. You can change this date also. We have put the products here, all the products we can copy from the product master. And then we have put the stages here, and that those stages are horizontal manner. Then we have used the same summif function, whatever we just have used. Date we are taking from here, stage we are taking from here, product we are taking from here, and all information we are taking from the transaction table. Okay, so that is how we have created. Now coming to the trend sheet, on the trend sheet we have created the same thing. Here we have put the first date of the month, then we are taking here equal to this date, and here we are taking this previous date plus one. Okay, so that is how we have created. Here we have created a drop down list for the stages, you can see, and that stage that is coming from the stage sheet, and we have put the all products here. Then we have used the same summary formula here. We just have put same formula here. Okay, we just have put for the first stage. If we select the first stage, then it will show the 0, because in the first stage we are not putting anything. All right, so that is how we have created this inventory dashboard with the stage. This is a ready to use template for you. Friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe my channel to get the regular update of my videos. Thank you so much for the watching.